Alright, now we have set up two systems here. On the right side is ASRock Z68 Extreme 4, okay, which is, as I mentioned, is based on the Intel latest Z68 chipset. And on the left side, it's Gigabyte Z68 UD7B3, which is Z68 motherboard from Gigabyte. And you can see that in the rear I/O, they don't have the onboard VGA output. So that is no good for Z68 chipset, because the most highlight from the Z68 chipset is a hybrid chipset from the Intel previous P67 and H67, because the Z68 can have the the overclocking capability of like the P67, and also have the onboard VGA output capability as the H67, but on this mainboard, you can see that they don't have the onboard VGA output, so you just miss the capability of the Intel HD graphics. Okay, now you can see that we're having the ASRock Z68 Extreme 4. You can see now on the screen it's a Lucidvert 2 interface, which means we do support the Lucidvert 2 technology. It can automatically switch between the the discrete VGA cards and the Intel HD graphics. It depends on what kind of application you're going to use. Okay, if you're going to use a 3D graphics application like 3D games kind of things, the Vert2 will automatically switch to the discrete VGA cards. Okay, however, if you're going to use the transcoding, like you're doing the video file convert kind of things, the Intel HD graphics definitely provides better performance than the discrete VGA cards. Okay, so the Lucidvert 2 will automatically switch to the Intel HD graphics, and then do the media convert, and let you to enjoy the better speed for the video convert, video transcoding. Okay, now you can see that we're going to test with the CyberLink Media Espresso. Okay, now here we're going to make the the video convert speed test. You can see on these two motherboards we're using exactly same configuration, same CPU, VGA card, memory kind of things. Okay, the only difference is the ASRock motherboard can support the Z68 can support onboard VGA and Lucidvert 2 technology, and on the Gigabyte Z68 motherboard they don't have the onboard VGA output, and they cannot support the Vert 2 either. Okay, now we're in the Media Espresso 6.5, which is from CyberLink. Okay, now we're going to convert this file. The file size is 2.15 gigabyte, and it's a M2TS format file, and we're going to convert it into the MP4 format. Okay, let's see what's the speed difference between these two systems. Okay, let's start. Okay, now you can see that the two systems start transcoding, and then let's see the result. Okay, here comes out the final test result. So you can see that on ASRock Z68 Extreme 4 motherboard, we do the file transcoding, file convert. It takes 32 seconds to finish the file convert. Okay, and on the Gigabyte Z68 motherboard with the same file, the 2.2 gigabyte M2TS to MP4, it takes 1 minute and 17 seconds. Okay, the major difference, the major reason is because even now you can see there are two systems with the same VGA cards. Okay, but on ASRock Z68 Extreme 4 motherboard, we have the Vert 2 technology, which will switch to the the Intel HD graphics to do the video convert. Okay, and it has better performance than the the high-end VGA cards. So it only takes 32 seconds to finish the the video convert. Okay, so according to both test results, we can find that the Vert 2 really helps a lot when doing the video convert task on the Z68 chipset motherboards. Okay, now let's check out about the 3D graphics performance. Okay, so now you can see that we're having the 3D Mark Vantage here. We're going to test with the two systems 3D graphics performance. Let's see if the Lucifer 2 will affect the 3D graphics performance or not. Okay, let's check out the 3D Mark Vantage score final result. You can see on the ASRock Z68 chipset motherboard, Extreme 4, we have Virtu integrated, and 3D Mark, now we have the 25,029 for 3D Mark Vantage performance score, and on the Gigabyte Z68 chipset motherboard, the 3D Mark score is 24,453 for the performance score. Okay, so even with the Lucifer 2 software, okay, the automatic switch to the graphics card, and the 3D performance is even similar, or maybe we can say better than the the Gigabyte Z68 chipset motherboard.